Hello everyone, we will be presenting the progress of a video tutorial on the difference between RAM, ROM, and storage. Well, before we begin, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Arsya Fidela Dani and my friends.
My name is Lul Puspitasari.
Let me give you some background information. Next. This background is based on computer components that are very important for students, especially regarding the difference between RAM, ROM, and storage, which have different functions but are interrelated in the computer works process. However, there are still many students who have difficulty understanding the material because the delivery tends to be theoretical and lacks the support of interesting learning media. Therefore, a learning video was made that explained the difference between RAM, ROM, and storage in a simple, visual, and easy to understand many way in order to increase interest in learning to help students understand the concept better. This video will be given to SMA 14 Bandar Lampung as a learning support media so that the material delivery process become more effective, interactive, and in accordance with the development of correct education technology. Next, the school profile with select will be submitted to SMA 14 Bandar Lampung is a public high school located in Kemeling District, Bandar Lampung City. This school was established in 2003 and is committed to providing quality education to develop the academic potential and character of students. Next, literature study. Literature study showed that RAM, ROM, and storage are important components in computers that have different functions. RAM is instructions that are needed when the computer is turned on, while storage functions as a long-term data storage medium such as hard disk or SSD. Based on the book Computer Organization and Architecture as well as Information Technology Learning Research. Understanding the difference between these three components is important so that students can understand the basics of how computer work. So this material is suitable to present in the form of a easy to understand learning video. Next. Need analysis. Analysis of need in making learning video about the difference between RAM, ROM, and storage include the needs for accurate information and easy to understand by students. The use of visual media such as image for animation to make the explanation for more interesting as well as preparation the simple and cinematic materials. In addition, supporting devices such as laptop or computer, video editing application, and reliable reference search are needed to ensure that the content of the material is in accordance with the basic concept of the computer. Video also need to be adjusted to the level of understanding of high school students so that I can help improve their understanding of the function and difference of RAM, ROM, and storage more effectively. Next. For my own team role as a video editor, my friends Lulu S compile the material and write the script, and my friends Widya as an animation design. Next.
The timeline. First week, determine the video title, generate reference, compile material about RAM, ROM, and storage, Week 2, work the script, design the visual appearance, prepare tool and material. Week 3, narration voice recording. Week 4, edit the video, check the result, revise and refine the video. Final stage, the video is prepared to be submit to SMAN 24 Bandar Lampung. Next. Information flow to be present. Opening, engine question. Where can a smartphone run multiple apps and store large amount of data? RAM, explain of RAM as temporary memory, analogy work disk. ROM, explanation of ROM as the basic system memory, analogy manual book. Storage, implementation of storage as the main data storage, analogy cabinet. Compression, table or explanation comparing the three components, highlight difference in function, speed, and data permission. Next. Reference from similar YouTube video. Number 1, RAM versus ROM versus storage in plan. Number 2, apa itu RAM, ROM, dan memori? Number 3, komputer memori type. Next. Script and video scenario. The video begins with the opening 0 minutes to 20 seconds, where an engine question is introduced about multitasking and data storage. It then continues to the main content, 20 seconds to 4 minutes, which include the explain of RAM analog with its analogy, followed by the explanation of ROM with the analogy and the explanation of the storage with its analogy. After that, the video moves to the compression section, 40 minutes to 40 seconds, highlight the key difference between RAM, ROM, and storage. Finally, the video and reach the closing, 4 minutes, 40 seconds to 5 minutes. We provide a summary and a simple takeaway. Next. Design. There is a storyboard design of our video progress. Next. The tools we use are Canva, which is used to the create element, and CapCut, which is used for video editing.
That's all. Here is our learning progress video. Thank you. See you later.